All of you welcome. In the next period, we see the definition. Positive definite matrix. Let the distance d square equal to grs, dx or dxs. If d square equal to 0, if and only each dxm equal to 0. If d square is positive, that is greater than 0, for dxm not equal to 0, then matrix 1 is said to be positive definite. Then indefinite matrix, if d square equal to 0, for dxm not equal to 0, then 1 is said to be indefinite and 1 is orthogonal if the fundamental element GRS equal to 0 for R is not equal to S. Then the null displacement. The null displacement definition, if d square equal to 0 for dxm not all 0, then dxm is called null displacement. Then length of displacement, let a distance dxm which is not null, that is which is not equal to 0, d square not equal to 0. This formula for the distance d square, if this formula, in this formula if d square is not equal to 0, then d square is greater than 0 or d square is less than 0. That is d square is positive or d square is negative. Then next, conjugate matrix tensor. Let z equal to determinant gmn. It is in the form of determinant. This is determinant gmn. I define gmn equal to delta mn divided by z. Here delta mn is the cofactor of gmn in z, cofactor of the matrix. You know how to find the cofactor of the matrix. Then we see some results. First result, gmr gms equal to delta sr, that is this mm repeated 2 times, m cancels here and we have delta sr, or we can write grm into gsm equal to, again here mm cancel, we have delta sm sr. Then second, gmn is a symmetric contravariant tensor of order 2. It is the contravariant tensor of order 2. The objective question may be asked on these results. Gmn is a symmetric which tensor, that is contravariant, covariant, like this. Then third, z equal to determinant gmn implies determinant gmn equal to 1 upon z. Here gmn is in the lower suffix, here gmn is index of this, that is power of this gmn, power of this z. Next point, if gmn equal to 0 for m is not equal to n, then g11 is given by 1 upon g11, these are the fundamental tensors. G22 equal to 1 upon G22, G33 equal to 1 upon G33, like this. So on we get. Lastly, gmn equal to 0 for m is not equal to n. Next, 5. Let GPR equal to minus GPS, GRM, DGSM. Then next 6. dg by g equal to gmn, dgmn equal to minus gmn, dg to the power mn. Next, the volume element g to the power half, dx1, dx2, so on, dxn is invariant. This is the invariant. In this formula 4, we have written Gmn equal to 0 for m is not equal to n. Then Gmn G11 equal to 1 upon G11, G22 equal to 1 upon G22. Here G11 is the load suffix, here 1 upon G22 and so on. We get Gmn equal to 1 upon Gmn and Gmn equal to 0 for m is not equal to n, like this. We have written here the load suffix Gmn is equal to 0 for m is not equal to n. Similarly here upper index, for the upper index we have Gmn equal to 0 for m is not equal to n, and in other cases we have this and like this. G11 equal to 1 upon G11, this is lower, this is upper and this is lower, like this and so on.